Hello everyone, welcome back to our English learning channel. This is a class 7 for beginners. Today we are going to learn how to talk about daily routine, present simple tense, how to make correct sentence, speak practice, question and answer practice. So sit comfortably and repeat after me. Let's begin. What is daily routine? Daily routine means things you do every day. For example, I wake up, I eat food, I go to work, I sleep. These are daily activities. In English, we use present simple tense for daily routine. Morning routine, very important. Now repeat after me. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I go to work. Now shallow practice again. Repeat once more for video processing. Afternoon routines. I have lunch at 1 p.m. I work in my office. I attend meetings. I talk to my colleagues. I come home in the evening. Night routines. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I watch TV. I use my phone. I spend time with my family. I go to bed at 10 p.m. See, he, from some sentences. Now listen carefully. I go to work. He goes to work. I eat food. She eats food. She eats food. I play cricket. He plays cricket. For he, she, it, add s, yes. Now practice. He wakes up at 7 a.m. She cooks food. He works in a office. She watches TV. Repeat all sentence. Question form. Now how to ask question. For example, do you wake up early? Yes. Only for answer yes and no. Does he work in an office? Yes. Do you drink tea? Does she cook food? Speaking practice activity. Now speak with me. Answer loudly. What time do you wake up? Where do you work? What do you do in the evening? What time do you sleep? Common mistakes. Wrong. He go to school. Correct. He goes to school. Wrong. She eat food. This is a wrong sentence. Correct. She eats food. Always remember the S rule. Small paragraph practice. Now listen and repeat full paragraph. I wake up early in the morning. I get ready and go to work. I work during the day. In the evening, I come home and relax. I go to bed at 10 pm. Today's homework for you. Written in the comment section. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the evening? What time do you sleep? Write full sentence. If you like this lesson, please like the video, share with your friends, subscribe for daily English classes. See you in class 8. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for watching.